Well, I want to give me opinionated peeps. So people, just a quick update for Uno with an incident that happened near the Mandeville Highway in Jamaica. So someone sent me this video and them say unstoppable. This happened today where two men had a shootout with the police and one of them get dashed away by the police and the other one was captured. Now them say one police officer was actually shot but him vest save him. You understand? Thank God him did wear him vest so it not fly through and you know that officer is alive. Alright, so people, me have the video for you, check it out right here. You understand what I say? And boy, me I tell you, me don't know what I'm to them youth, yeah. You know, yo, live by the gun, die by the gun. It's sad. It's a really sad situation. You understand what I say? So me gonna make you know watch the whole thing right here, so cause people did it and them are pre what happened. You understand what I say? As me say, them say this happened near the Mandeville Highway area right there. So you understand what I say? One officer was shot, but him did have an vest, so him not dead. Alright, so people, check this out and talk to me down in the comment section. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Zane, another one. My gun.
Brother, it feels so strange to me though.
I can't bite her, man.
No. First bite them already.
Must be I'm a candidate.
Yeah, man, So, hold on.
Man get shot, you know, like, you hardly can't breathe and get so best tapping.
Him? So I don't think him.
Most.
Oh, over there, some man, over there.
Yeah, where you get shot?
It's the boy that was in there, black one. No one that face him.
Oh,
No one that face him.
yeah, man, just come out here.
Come out here, Liam, to push the blood. Claps, you shut up. Get my heart and I go, combo clap, and just push up that. The water for me, I shake like a lizard.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.